over here. It's true.
Can I get the veggie a la king?
Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Must be a professional. Miss Rochelle.
Thank you. Yeah, Ooh, that looks good.
It does, wow.
Very good. If I eat him more often.
The garlic. That's really good. So you got
Veggie a la king.
veggie jalapeno. Okay.
It's really good.
It looks good. Creamy, tasty.
And it's light, the cream. It's not
Not heavy,
heavy.
thick,
No,
not too flavorful. It's just right.
it's perfect.
Okay. That was so good. Thank you, Stuart.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Stuart.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
You guys gotta check out EbiNomi. They're in the back here, in back of Kono's and Marugame Udon. Such good food. Oh my gosh, that garlic shrimp plate today, it was so good. And your vegetable, what was it?
Veggie a la king.
Veggie a la king, creamy. It was good. Yeah, it was good.
Oh, yeah.
So recommend. Huh?
Cooked very well.
Cook well.